Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create embed links in a text on your Discord server, and in order to do that we will need the help of a certain bot. So let's go to your server name at the top and let's go to server settings and then choose app directory. I'm gonna use Carl-bot in order to create such links. So I'm gonna type Carl and then I should be able to find this bot. Let's click on it and then let's add to the server. Over here you can decide to which server you want to add this bot. Let's press continue after that, and then here you can see the permissions that you need to grant for the bot. At the bottom you can press authorize in order to give the permissions to that bot, and then solve the captcha. And finally the bot has been added. So let's go to the server. At the right side you can see there is this bot, and we need to open the link of the bot in the browser in order to configure and actually create this embed link in a text. So go to carl.gg and then over here you should find login with Discord option. Let's click over here. And now you can decide which server you want to select. So I have only one. I'm gonna press my server. And then over here at the right side you will find utility section where you have embeds. Let's go here. And it is really simple. All we need to do is we have description over here. And if we want to create a hyperlink, then we can create one over here. So in order to do that, first of all, I'm gonna type a message in the square brackets. So I'm gonna type my website as an example. I'm gonna close the square bracket like so. And then right after that, I'm gonna use the normal bracket. And here I can paste the link. So I'm gonna use just a YouTube link like so, and then I'm gonna close the bracket. And as you can see in the top right corner over here, you can see the preview of this embed text. If I remove the bracket, you can see it in the changes. So right now, this is how it looks like. And then at the bottom over here, we have destination where we can select on which channel we want to post this message. So I'm gonna choose memes channel as an example, and then I'm gonna press post. And the embed has been sent. Now let's check on Discord. Here we have my website. If I click over here, I will open YouTube as it was desired by me. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.